Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I was going to do a little review on Lion Brand's Caboo yarn. Now someone gifted this to me and I greatly appreciate it because I wanted to try it and I haven't got around to trying it. So it's made by Lion Brand and we'll see. It is a lightweight 3 yarn. It is machine washable and dryable. It is a 50 cotton 50 bamboo blend, 230 yards per cake, and it says one cake will do a hat. It is very soft. I can say that now. By looking at it, I think it might be a splitting yarn. I'm not 100% certain, but we can check it out here in just a second. Looks like it might split easily. But we'll talk about price real quick. It looks like it's only available on lionbrand.com and at Joann's at the moment. You can look on probably find it on Amazon and Walmart.com, but those are just going to be drop ship sellers that are getting it from Lion Brand or Joann's more than likely. It looks like it comes in about 12 different colors. They're all very pretty, bright, nice colors, very attractive. Lion Brand, they run a regular priced $5.99 a cake, and at Joann's they look like a regular price. They run $4.99 a cake. So let's see. It says recommended hook size is a G 4mm. Well, you know what? I just happen to have this sitting right beside me. That's so weird. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, let's see if we can get a center pull from it. I can tell you that it's super soft. But we'll see. Yeah, it's not going to center pull for me. I don't really like it when yarns don't center pull. For some reason. Well, I'm not going to mess that all up. So we'll take it from the outside of the cake. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the sticker or the label off here. And we'll see how it works up. But you can look and see, I don't know if you guys can see that it's not spun tight. So I saw that. But you know what? Sometimes a yarn doesn't bother me if it splits. If it's I can get past that. So let's see what we got. It is definitely a lightweight 3. I would not categorize that as anything other than a lightweight 3. So it's about perfect for that. Let's see how she crochets. Now these views are my own personal opinions. Lion Brand don't know I'm doing this. No one knows how I'm doing this. And remember, you never have to agree with me. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and start out, see what she's like. Not too bad, but let's turn it around and try to do some single crochets with it. It glides really nicely, I must say that. It's actually not splitting as bad as I thought by looking at it. When I first saw it in the cake, I'm like, I think that's going to be splitting really bad. But actually, it's not bad at all. Truthfully. I personally would probably use a bigger hook than what's recommended. That's just me though. Like if I make something out of it, I'll probably use a H or an I, but I like to use bigger hooks. But I'm just using their recommended hook size now. No, it's not really splitting. Well, there it did just a little bit. I'm actually quite surprised by the way it was. I shouldn't have talked. I spoke too soon. Now it's splitting. And I know some people will say that if I use a hook with a different head on it, deeper head that my yarn won't split. But unfortunately, that doesn't work for me. I've been crocheting for a really long time, and I have tried that. It might be it's just the way that I crochet, but there's some yarns that I split, and no matter what I do, there's nothing that I can do to prevent it. So, like I said, I think I said that in the last one. I mean, it's not glued together, so it does have a tendency to split sometimes. Sometimes it splits the way you crochet, or sometimes it's just a splitting yarn. This one's not doing too bad though, actually. Yeah. Not bad at all after look, you know. I keep saying not bad and then it splits. It looks nice. It's really soft. I wish you guys could feel it. Just pretend like you're feeling it right now. Super soft. I think that if you made like a shawl or something with it, it's going to have a wonderful, wonderful drape on it. And it's going to be real lightweight. Yeah. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not really having no problems crocheting with it. At all. Let me do a couple doubles. Crochets way better than what I thought it would by looking at it. Yeah. Nice. It's pretty. I like it. But you can see, you can imagine when I first saw that. And then trying to pull it from the center. I didn't really like the fact that it's center pulled, but it seems to be wound up in this really tiny ball really tightly. So that could be a reason why. And it could just be this cake too, but you can see how I thought it would split a lot worse than it did. But actually, you know, it didn't split extremely bad at all. So I like it, actually. I like it a lot. I can't wait to make something out of it. I'm going to wind this back up. Look at that, it comes undone really easy. So it's not catching on itself. Boom. A little fuzzy on it. There we go. It all came out quite nice. So yeah, I'm going to have to give this a good mark. I like it a lot. And I'm super excited to get to try it and do this review for you guys. I'm kind of behind on this one. It's been out for a little while. You guys have, some of you guys have probably already tried it. But for those of you that haven't, I'd recommend it. I think that I think you'll really like it. I do. I just keep squeezing it. It is really soft, really light. You can tell that it's going to make a lightweight garment or hat or whatever you choose to make out of it. Splitting factor was not bad. Nothing I couldn't control. You know, nothing that made me angry or anything. So center pull, didn't particularly like that, but that's something I can deal with. Probably was just the skein. Maybe it just wasn't my day to center pull. I tried to pull skein of yarn from the center earlier from a different brand, and it didn't work out. So maybe today just wasn't my day. So I'll try to pull from the center tomorrow on it. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, 232 yards, lightweight 3, 50 cotton, 50 bamboo, machine washable and dryable. 12 different colors, available on Lion Brand and Joann's. So I don't know if they sell it in the store at Joann's. I never seen it at my Joann's. Let me know in the comments if you've seen it in store at your Joann's. I don't know if it's only an online thing or not. For some reason, I'm trying to look at Joann's right now and it's not working on my computer. But let me know in the comments if it's available in store at your Joann's. I'd like to know if it's just that or an online thing. There's no pattern on the label either. But Lion Brand has a lot of patterns on their website. Approved by Knitted Knockers. Soft, comfortable knit prosthetics for breast cancer survivors. That's a very wonderful group. I have read about them. So this yarn is approved by them. And I can see why. I think anything that you make out of this is going to be quite awesome. So yeah, I like it. It gets a thumbs up for me. So I encourage you, if you get a chance, you happen to see it, maybe you'll find it on sale, or just you don't mind paying that full price for it. $4.99 at Joann's for 232 yards. That's not bad, I think, for the quality of the yarn. Would I pay that? I think I would try to wait for it to go on sale. I mean, it's not bad. It's a fair price because, like I said, the quality is really, it's there. It's a really nice yarn. But I'm kind of a cheapskate, so I would probably wait for it to go on sale. But that's okay because I've seen it on sale a lot of times on Joann's website. So yeah, if you get a chance, you see it, you know, you want to try it, I highly recommend you trying it. I think it's super nice. I think you're going to be quite pleased with it. I hope so anyways. But remember, like I said, these are just my own personal views. You might end up hating this yarn. I'll feel bad if you do because I told you to go buy it. But if you do try it, let me know in the comments. If you've already tried it, let me know in the comments also what you thought about it. So that's, yeah, let me know if it's available at your Joann's in store, and also let me know if you've tried it and your thoughts on it, because I would really like to know what you guys think about it. But yeah, I want to give it a good mark. I like it. Lion Brand Caboo. Thanks everybody for watching.